In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art image with Metaballs. This is a denoised version of the same image, but I kept the one with the noises. This is how the scene looks like. I'm using cycles with 16 samples to save time. Please use at least 128 samples for much better quality of the final render image. I'm recreating the Metaballs mesh, but my Blender almost crashed while doing so. Shift-D to duplicate, and S to scale. Metaballs workflow is a bit different than the meshes we usually create. Do you see M-ball and numbered M-ball meshes in the outliner? If we want to modify the duplicated metaballs, then we must first select the correct metal ball mesh. For example, if we have the M-ball mesh selected, and scale or rotate, only the original mesh will change. Please save frequently, and avoid decreasing the resolution too much and scaling the first metaball mesh. I'll show you what happens when we try to scale the primary metaball mesh after decreasing the resolution. Again, when working with metaballs, please remember to select the correct metaball in the outliner first before modifying it. Once I click away from the duplicated mesh and try to click it again, only the primary M-ball mesh will be selected. If I try to scale the duplicated mesh without properly selecting its numbered mesh in the outliner, Blender will generate a bug like this. Now my Blender is frozen, and once I regain the control sometime later, the metaballs are going to disappear. Again, after duplicating a metaball, and want to modify the duplicated mesh, please go to the outliner to select the correct mesh first. As we can see, the meshes are gone. On my prototype mesh, I converted the metaballs to mesh before applying a material. I'll show you the render settings, material details, and the composite node details. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.